I've just booked the cheapest hotel in Blackpool for £18, but little did I know that the reviews were absolutely terrible. In fact, I don't even know if I'm going to stay here. I'm just going to read out a couple of these and you'll see why. But the hotel is Hotel Adena. It's more of a bed sit, I'm guessing, but yeah, the reviews have me a bit worried. And there's some unsavory characters pretty much outside the hotel. See, normally I look at the reviews on Trustpilot, you know, see if it's worst rated, but this time I thought it's the cheapest one, don't need to look at it. Well, I'm about to go to the hotel and the reviews themselves are awful. In fact, I normally have to filter them out for the 1 star. They're all 1 star. There's not one that's good. So I don't even know I'm going to stay here. But anyway, here we go. So we got one here from Jenny. Awful place, 1 star. This was the most disgusting room. It was awful, hadn't been cleaned. The whole place stunk. How is this allowed to stay open? Worrying. This one, it's probably going to be me. Absolutely disgusting. Didn't even stay the night I paid for. Yeah, great. We paid £49 for all 3 of us to stay in the room 1 night. We walked away in a stench of drugs. And this one, capital letters and exclamation mark galore. Terrible. God, I don't know where to start. Well, first, when I arrived, the owner wasn't there, okay? Then she didn't ask her name or anything, booking, and upon walking to the room there was a mess in the hallway. Plugs you can stand on. The entering room, the wardrobe had no doors, no handles, and mugs inside, and the bin was awful. Place stank. It was that bad of me and bad. Had 2 little girls just walked off and had to pay for another B&B. But we'll see. Let's go and check in. Let's see how bad it really is and whether or not I'm even going to stay, but I'll at least give you the full tour. So it's just down here. In fact, there it is, Hotel Adena. Looks absolutely terrible. I don't even know if I can check in yet. Hi there, I've arrived a little bit early. Is it possible I can drop my bag off or just check in a bit earlier? So I'm having to go on the other side to the galloway. Just knock. So, not Adena, apparently got separate hotels. This one looks worse. What is this place? Holy mother. So we're here and outside unsavory characters. The room's just, I mean, it smells cleanish. I've just been told to come this side to the galloway because the Adena's full, and they said they don't know if there's a room, so I'm confused. We'll find out. First impressions, this place looks like it's been absolutely battered. There's a few little fisticuffs going on here, and it's absolutely stinks. I kid you not, if you used a blue light here, I wonder what you'd pick up. I'll give you the tour anyway. Let me just hang my bag on this rather beaten up wall. There we go. There's the door. So there's the first whammy of impressions. It's seen better days, as you can tell. Anyway, coming in, so this is our space that we're working with. The toilets are downstairs, and I will show you where they are. So where do we start? So I think we'll start here. So like I said, got some savoury characters out there. The reviews say that as well, and this place is generally used as, I won't say the word because I don't want you to flag it up, but a little bit dodgy kind of things going on. This is the sink. The sink is adjacent to the bed. In fact, it's seen better days, and it's got eggshells and stuff in it. I kid you not, there's eggshells in the sink. It's absolutely disgusting and filthy. I don't know why you'd wash your face in that. This stuff as well, it's not nice. This isn't nice, just not nice. And then the walls, just marks and stains all over it. In fact, this place is covered. Just this wall alone is covered in stains. I'm not just exaggerating. Yeah, that's peeling off the wall by the looks of it, but the sink is abysmal. Someone's head's gone through that, or fist, or argument. But we do have some drawers which look relatively new. Let's give it something, right? And these are blue, so seaside and everything else. What do we have in here? Anything? Oh, it smells a lot. What is all of this stuff? Look, let me show you this. But it's all like just, I don't know, crumbs or dead insects. Like, what is this stuff? Not nice. And what's going on with the floorboards? Holy moly. Look, what's underneath the floors, man? And we have a heater as well. This room is relatively hot, so you wouldn't need this. But there we go. We did get some towels. They feel relatively clean. And then the yellowless and marks all over the ceiling. The lamp seems to be cracked and have better days. The TV, I don't know what's going on there, but it's hanging off the wall on a weird angle. It's an odd shape. Don't want to, oh, there we go. Kind of looks a little bit better. We've not got to the bed yet, so we'll check that out in a minute. But we do have a kettle next to what I can only say is BLOOD stains. Can you say that on YouTube? Holy moly, yeah, more than likely. It's just covered, the wall is covered in those stains. And then you got the mug as well, which looks clean, but I wouldn't trust it. And then you've got a nice plug socket, which is just kind of hanging off the wall, the plaster. And again, I don't know if the camera picks up, but can you see all the marks and stuff? Like, what is it? I've got a lovely view of the window, so just not nice. What are the curtains like? Let's just have a look. What? Oh my god. So right above the bed you have black mould. So yeah, that's considered it. I am not staying here tonight. We have black mould on the curtains. So I won't be staying here. I'm breathing it in just because the bed pillow is literally there and then the black mould is literally above it. Anyway, let's do the bed test. Now, the bed is very comfortable. Considering I've just gone from the Britannia, this is very comfy. The pillows, I don't know what they're going to be like. I mean, again, I'm not going to stay here. Black mould all over that curtain. But these look clean, I guess. Because they're not white, you don't really know. But, I mean, this one isn't. It's got yellow stains all over it. I wouldn't want to put my head on that anyway. But it's the wall, look at the wall. So if I move these pillows out of the way, obviously you can see the marks and stuff on the walls, right? Let's see what we're working with underneath the bed sheets. So it's duvet. Move it to one side. I mean, it looks relatively clean apart from the odd couple of stains here and there, but it's the walls and the mould that I'm worried of. Bed sheet, the mattress. Anything going on underneath this? Why is there a hole in the mattress? Like, what are people hiding or smuggling? Oh my word, there's... Right, I don't know if you can see that, but under the bed, there's alcohol cans, there's liquor, and God knows what else is underneath that. I don't want to know. Do I want to know? Let's put a torch on it. So, if that's not bad enough, there's another little hole here. I mean, do these separate? Is that what's going on? Like, what is the deal here? I don't know, but yeah, stashing. And then you got noodles, a bin. Do I open these? It's just disgusting, it's all sticky. Shall we peel back the bed? Like, what are we working with? Just don't want to touch everything, it's just not very nice. Just move this out of the way. Just move this to one side. Move this. Yeah, it's just vile. They try to make it presentable with that little image, but this this is probably one of the worst hotels I've ever been in, and I'm leaving today, now. But I'll give you a tour of the bathroom, and I've got a booking somewhere else now. I wasn't planning to, but there we go. We do have teas. Let me know if you like this video, like and subscribe. If you've been here before, do let me know. But let's go and check out the bathroom. But yeah, that's the black mould for me, and the mattress. There's beer cans and bottles and God knows what else under the mattress. Like, someone's gone out of the way to do that. Whatever. Anyway, let's go. This is landing. What is going on? So So the bathroom is this way. It's probably the cleanest place in the room. So that concludes my stay at the Adena Hotel. Would I recommend it? No. Were the reviews correct? Yes. Do I find it very unsafe? Probably. Would I recommend a family going there? No. It wasn't very nice. The lady working there, you know, she's done a good job. She's cleaning and everything else, so all respect to her. But the hotel itself, I wouldn't even say it's fit to standard, really. I did pay £18, including taxes, maybe like 23. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Were you brave enough to stay there for the night? If so, did you have a better experience than me? I'm going to try and find somewhere now to stay because I'm supposed to be here for another night because I'm off to Liverpool tomorrow. And let's go to Liverpool tonight. I don't know. I'll figure that out. Anyway, like and subscribe helps me out more than you know, and I'll see you on the next one.